headed off to the dyno.
They working good.
I want to see how it's gonna sound on the first fire up. Now they wasted all the gas or what?
I'm thinking.
Huh? Hell no, it's a full tank.
It was firing straight up, one click.
Yeah, it's firing straight up. Full tank of gas in there.
I switched around and the battery disconnected and reset something.
Oh, nah, hell no, that's probably the battery. It smelled better. I think because you had a battery unplugged. Huh? Yeah, you can hear it. Let's do a sock show. Maybe hit it. Alright. God damn. 9-day fucking difference for sure, bro. I'm about to take my fucking wagon to the dyno for sure. Yeah, the car is ready for pickup. YT, what's happening with you, baby? So I'm about to actually take this thing to the gas station because it went to the dyno, and I don't know how much gas they use because there's a malfunction with the digital Dakota. So with that being said, let's take it right to the gas station. Last thing I need to do is set the speedo, and this thing is ready to go home. That want to know, that's wondering, that's asking, I'm going to give the full detail to this build. I'll be doing the full detail. I'll be doing the full detail to this build in a second. I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but the speedometer is actually going to start moving as I'm dry because I'm calibrating the speedometer. it's funny because I actually have to drive extremely slow because when doing so, when doing a speedo calibration, you cannot spin the tires and you can't go in reverse, or you basically have to start it all over again. And this thing right here spins the tires with ease, like just blows the tire. It went to the dyno, made some pretty good numbers on the dyno. It's a couple things that we could have did better, like basically the customer explained to me at the end. Basically, the things that we could have did better, which would have been I do not like driving customer cars anymore, but I will get this 1 mile out of the way. I don't know how dark the camera was, please forgive me for that. So the reason why I don't want to drive customer cars anymore is just because it's just like, it's just too much of a damn liability or whatever, if something was to happen. I mean, obviously I got insurance and stuff, but still, it's like, I'm just over it. Don't want to drive nobody cars no more. That's why when it comes to tunes and stuff like that, I typically let the customer drive their car as well. We should be coming up on a 1 mile here. We should be coming up on a mile here pretty soon. So I'm gonna reset it. And it's not gonna be a long video. It might actually be a long video. It's probably gonna be a one take video. I actually like this car, man. I would take a 65 over a 64 just because it's just the body lines are different. It's just the way he has this thing set up is overall nice. The suspension does need to be dialed in a little bit better, and he has some nice ass wheel brakes on here, but the brakes also need to be touched up a little bit. Can't go too fast while you dialing this thing in, so I'm going to actually pull over here and see if I can reset this thing and be done with it. Probably drive a little bit more. I just want to make sure that is actually going to work right. So as you guys can see here, we was at about 1400. Y'all hear that chop? You hear the chop. So we're right around, let me see what that thing says. We're at about 5,800 pulses. Trying to get it to where you guys can actually see it. So the more you drive, the higher it increases. So I'll pull over here, because that should have been about a mile. It should be safe to pull over here. And then I have, right here, I have his Dakota, so I'll press it. It should say done. And then now we should be able to drive. And if all goes well, the speedometer should start to move the right way. Oh yeah, baby! I'm not gonna hit it. That's because I don't need this shit breaking loose from you, but y'all hear that? This shit got a lot of power. So let me get back to the shop and I'm gonna get back with y'all. So take a look at this thing. I want you guys to go ahead and embrace it and take a good look at this 1965 IMPALA SS. Sitting pretty nice. As you guys can hear, the electric fence is working. It actually has a transcooler on there too. So the setup, for everybody who wants to know, it's a 6.0 Stage Street Custom Grind ISKI cam. Shout out to my boy Sean Patrick. So for everyone that want to know what this build is a 6.0 with a stage 3. Listen to this chop. Oh yeah, baby. Has a stage 3 custom cam. LS1 intake. It has valve springs on it. It has a billet stall 3000. It has full exhaust over the axle. I have a picture, I'll insert that here. And that's pretty much everything that I did to it. I know you guys want to see what it looked like under the hood. That's what it looks like under the hood. Got Holley exhaust manifolds. Have actually go put the bolts in the damn Colfax real quick. Holley exhaust manifolds, Holley valve covers. Is running an LSG harness. Holley mid-mount kit. He is going to be putting Benadryl on this thing. As you guys can see in the back, we have an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. He's running an Aeromotive 340 fuel pump. Before he came, he already had, I believe, a cold case radiator installed. Everything is pretty much, aside from that, and that's it, man. I mean, LS1 intake, nice clean install. All the wiring for the Dakota, everything is basically ran. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. What you see is what you're gonna get. Running stock Motec injectors. If the car makes any more power than what it's making now, like for example, if he was to do heads and upgrade it to an LS6 intake, he definitely is going to need maybe a set of EV1 36-pound injectors just to help out a little bit. But this is what the car looks like. So, of course, he got the red guts. Got the red guts throughout the car. And maybe I'll get some nighttime footage on this thing as well. Everything is in here working. As you can see, the tach works. Everything does work. But I called Dakota. His temperature gauge nor fuel pump will not work. If you check in the settings or whatever, everything is set properly. It should be working fine. Dakota is a it's a 3-wire hookup, which is a bare wire, a signal, and the ground. All that is hooked up. That's a temperature sensor. I even put a GM sensor in there, so I don't know what the hell, why it's not working. So we just got to snatch it out and take this thing back. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok, the thelsswapguru. And I want to say congrats to my giveaway winners. Hope you guys enjoyed your prizes. I have not done a giveaway, but today is actually the day I'm going to be doing a giveaway in another 2 hours. So hopefully you guys peeked in on that.
All right, guys, we then finally made it to drop this thing off to the winner for my boy Guru. He's moving his truck. About to get this thing offloaded so we can get it into the garage.
Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down, only feel like this is a bum. I will give more footage on this thing before it leaves, but time to make a TikTok video. Peace. All right, everyone, I'm back at the shop now where I can actually talk. I don't know why the whole time I had the car running where you guys can even hear me, but I don't know, I just love the way this damn car sounds or whatever. So, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's not going to be no more than maybe 1 or 2 parts. I really didn't get that much footage on the car. I believe I got footage of me pulling the engine, possibly footage of me installing the engine. But other than that, I was just trying to get it done. Same with I have plenty of the cars in here, so make sure if this is your first time around, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share it to somebody. Let them know your boy out here getting some stuff done. We have a couple new projects coming to the channel, and maybe even a few more, you know, something like this, you know what I'm saying? Some A bodies, some B bodies. We have some, you already know we stay with the G bodies, but we have an F body coming to the channel soon too. I'm just trying to get caught up and get cracking, get back to the T-Top Tuesdays, Wagon Wednesdays, and I just appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, and holla at y'all, man.